This video shows how to deploy the Unity Bandpower Interface to Android. First of all, we have to download the latest Unity package from our GitHub Unicorn BCI page. After downloading the package, you can import it. Go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and import the package from the Download folder. Ensure that all libraries and scripts are selected and click Import. Now all the libraries and scripts should be imported. For Android, it is very important that the Android manifest is located in the Plugins Android folder. In here, permission for Bluetooth and Bluetooth scanning are given. If you want to deploy to Android, you simply have to go to Build Settings, Android, and click Switch Platform. Now the project is configured for Android. If you want to deploy to Android, you can simply enable development mode on your Android device. Ensure that the device is discoverable via Android Debug Bridge. If so, you should find it in the drop-down list here. Now we want to open the Bandpower example, so we go to Scenes, Bandpower Example. That's the scene we want to use in our Android deployment now. We go to the Build Settings again. We can add the Open Scene, the Bandpower example, in here now. If you click Build and Run, it will ask for the location where we want to build our Android package. So we create now the bin folder. Also give a name for the package. Now we can click Build and Run, and the Android package should be installed to my tablet device where the app should be open and usable.